Did you know that your assumptions shape your reality? The law of assumption states that what you assume to be true will become your experience. So if you want to maximize your results and unleash your full potential, you need to harness the power of assumption. Assumptions are not just wishful thinking, they are beliefs that we hold deep within ourselves. When you assume something to be true, your subconscious mind goes to work, influencing your thoughts, emotions, and actions to align with that assumption. This creates a powerful ripple effect throughout your life. To tap into the power of assumption, start by identifying the beliefs that are holding you back. Are you assuming that success is only for others? Are you assuming that you don't have what it takes to achieve your goals? These limiting assumptions are keeping you from maximizing your results. Once you've identified these limiting beliefs, it's time to replace them with empowering assumptions. Instead of assuming failure, assume success. Instead of assuming lack, assume abundance. By consciously choosing new assumptions, you can reprogram your subconscious mind to support your goals and dreams. It's important to remember that assumptions are not a magic wand. They must be backed by consistent action and effort. But when you combine empowering assumptions with dedicated action, you unleash your full potential and open yourself up to infinite possibilities. So how can you start leveraging the power of assumption today? Begin by affirming your new assumptions daily. Repeat empowering statements such as, "I am capable of achieving my goals," or "I attract success in all areas of my life." Also, visualize your desired outcomes as if they have already happened. See yourself living your dream life, feeling the emotions of accomplishment and fulfillment. This practice activates the law of assumption and helps to manifest your desired results. Finally, surround yourself with positive influences. Seek out mentors, books, and resources that reinforce your new assumptions. They will provide the guidance and inspiration needed to stay committed to your journey of maximizing results. Remember, the law of assumption is a powerful tool that can transform your life. Believe in your potential, assume success, and take inspired action. Unleash the power within you and watch as your results soar. Thanks for watching this video, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more powerful content.